like bags that you use when you're at a show. Like I have like regular brown bags that I use, but well, the brown bags they have like the two handles on them, but these ones I thought were cute. So I decided to do an unboxing with you guys. I can see how they turn out. And forgive me, I'm using one hand. Because I wanted to do something different for some of my smaller items. Yeah, I don't have my trusty stand here. So I gotta put it there. Oh. So I want to try something different. I will post the Amazon link when I'm done. Okay. Oh, these are really nice. Oh my gosh, wait, y'all. These are humongous. Oh my god, I think they were, I didn't even read the size. OMG. You guys, they are not supposed to be this huge. Like, wow. Well, there's the brand. These are humongous. I thought they were like the really short bags, but this is so good though. Like, I'm excited. I don't hate them. Wow, these are amazing. When I do my show, I'm gonna feel so bossy. My little humongous thank you bags. I'm gonna have to order some more of these. I'll probably order some more tonight. You guys, look how cute these are. I'm gonna be like a real boss, y'all. These are gonna be so cute for my shows I have coming up, guys. I love them. Okay, so I will be reordering these. They have a good part. Let's see. See, these are some of the other ones that they offer, some of the other patterns. Oh, no, really, thank you for your purchase. This is so dope. I love them. Okay, guys, well, that was my unboxing, well, my unbagging from Amazon today. I will be posting another video coming soon. We have plenty of things to show. So, guys, until next time, peace.